My name is Dr. Mario Abdennour. I practice in the Boston area for about 26 years, and currently I'm a practitioner in Florida. I'm an endodontist trained at Harvard, and I continue teaching there. I fly once a month to give courses to the students and clinical work as well. So today we just had, we are almost completing our 2-day course. It's a hands-on comprehensive endodontic course, and it looks like none of my attendees have fled the scene, so I think they are very happy to be here, and I'm very happy to be here. It's been a few times that I have lectured here, and it's a very important course to take because if you practice endodontics in your general practice and you want to expand and be more proficient in some of your procedures, I believe that this is the course to take because there's a lot of information that you can apply the very next day that you return to your practice. Favorite part is that 99% of the attendees do not lose their attention span, so we must be giving some valuable information. But it's always good to get a feedback because they ask questions back and they want to know more, and also the grace and the expertise that they bring, because they're all very skilled in different ways. So I end up learning from them more than they learn